Every Radiant cordless headlight system includes a headlight with battery tray, 2 batteries, an anti-curing filter, and the power supply with USB-C charging cable. If you purchased a light and loupes at the same time, your headlight may come already attached to your loupes. It's important to know how to mount and unmount the light when using the Radiant headlight system. Every Q-Optics frame is equipped with a quick connect mounting system for your Q-Optics Radiant cordless headlight. Depending on when your loupes were purchased, your frame mount may vary. Loupes purchased after 2023 will have a fixed Q-Optics logo onto which you'll mount your headlight. Earlier models will have a removable logo button that reveals your screw-style mounting system. On the back of the headlight base plate, there's a channel that slides across the mount on your frame. Align the opening of the headlight mount to your frame mount and slide the headlight into place until it's fully seated. You can slide the headlight off the mount in the opposite direction to remove it, such as when cleaning your loupes. Your headlight will have full range of motion to position it best during practice and align to the exact visual sightline of your loupes, whether using direct vision loupes or deflection. There is a swivel point at the base of the headlight mounting plate behind the battery tray. You should see the pivot point where the small screw is located. You can move your headlight from right to left at this pivot point. Additionally, there is a joint in the profile of the headlight that allows for full upward and downward motion. To prevent fast curing of composite material, you can install the included anti-curing filter. Simply align the filter to the front of the headlight and press into place. To power your headlight, you'll need to mount one of the included batteries. First, align the back end of the battery tray on the headlight mount to the open area of the bracket clip on the battery. Slide it forward until it clicks securely into place. If the battery is connected properly, the headlight should turn on. If it doesn't, remove and reseat the battery. When you're ready to use your cordless headlight, a simple tap to the logo area atop the battery will power your light on or off. Runtime for each battery is approximately 2 hours. If your battery level gets low while you're using the headlight system, the intensity of your light will briefly blink between dim and bright multiple times. This will indicate about 15 to 25 minutes left of runtime before shutting itself down. When the battery is critically low or too low to run the headlight, the LED indicator will briefly flash red when installing the battery onto the tray. Each battery takes approximately 1 hour 30 minutes to fully charge from empty. As a safety measure, your light cannot run if the battery and USB cable are plugged into a power source. Remove the battery from the headlight before charging. Insert the USB Type-A end of the included charging cable into the wall adapter power supply and plug your power supply into an electrical outlet. Plug the USB-C end of the charging cable into the port on the back side of the battery needing to be charged. The LED on the battery will illuminate red to indicate the battery is charging. When the battery LED changes to green, you'll know that the battery is fully charged and ready for use. Remember that your headlight will not power on while it's plugged in. Your battery will have a significantly longer lifespan overall if you store it off the headlight tray, so keep that in mind when finishing up for your day. Also, be sure not to leave your batteries in a fully discharged state for long periods of time, as that can significantly decrease the lifespan of the battery cell. Be sure to charge up your batteries when they are used fully. The Q-Optics Radiant Cordless Headlight is a fine optical and electrical instrument and should be treated with care. Adhering to proper maintenance will help avoid damage. While your loupes can be held under running water, your headlight system is not waterproof. Always remove your headlight before washing your loupes. Basic cleaning can be done with a clean, dry, microfiber cloth or by spraying the cloth lightly with Q-Optics Lens Cleaner. Use a light pressure with circular motion to clean or dry the headlight lens. You can also wipe down your battery with the same simple method. Do not spray your headlight or battery directly. It is okay to disinfect the headlight and battery using moist Gavi wipes, not dripping with solution. Make sure you've squeezed out excess liquid. Then wipe down your headlight and battery. Be sure to prevent liquid cleaning or disinfecting solutions from entering into the open electrical areas of the headlight and battery pack, as damage could occur. Always make sure your headlight is completely dry before charging. Do not autoclave, chemiclave, or perform any other sterilization procedure on your headlight, cables, or battery. Do not use solvents or cleaning solutions other than these recommended options. Thanks for watching. For more videos about your Q-Optics loupes, subscribe to our channels.